Today, we explore the cutting-edge integration of AI into coding environments with a deep dive into OpenAI's Codex for Visual Studio Code. OpenAI Codex is an AI language model developed specifically for coding applications, designed to assist developers by automating repetitive tasks. The Heise offer for Codex integration is a limited-time opportunity to experience this groundbreaking technology in your development workflow. OpenAI Codex offers autocomplete suggestions, bug-fixing assistance, and even the ability to generate code based on natural language descriptions. With this technology, developers can enhance their productivity and focus more on high-level problem-solving rather than mundane tasks. Codex can be integrated not just in Visual Studio Code, but also in command line interfaces and CI. This comprehensive coverage ensures that Codex can be a seamless part of your entire development lifecycle, from ideation to deployment. Heise's offer includes a detailed guide and support for integrating Codex into your existing tools and workflows. This integration ensures that Codex can be tailored to your specific needs, whether you're working on web applications, mobile apps, or backend systems. One of the key features of Codex is its ability to understand natural language and convert it into code, making it easier for non-technical stakeholders to contribute. Another advantage is its ability to generate tests and documentation automatically, further streamlining the development process. Codex is also highly scalable, allowing for easy integration into large-scale projects and teams. In the future, Codex could be extended to support more programming languages and frameworks, further broadening its utility. OpenAI Codex represents a significant step forward in the automation of coding tasks, promising to transform how developers approach software development. Don't miss out on this opportunity to harness the power of AI for your coding projects. Visit Heise's offer page now.